is they don't get involved into much of the physical activity. You're just involved in the same routine which you have been doing it over the years and years. And that same routine would not give you the same joy. You know, you have seen an episode yesterday. After 2 days, you find that episode, the same episode which was very interesting, very boring. So how could the same activity which you have been continuing from year out of 2 years or 5 years, which provide enjoyment to you? So you should always try to get involved into new activity. It could be just making a friend or making a group or going for a walk. It could be anything, just starting a club or going and meeting new people, whatever it could be. But the expansion, your circle should be expanded. Because whenever your circle expanded, you come across people with the newer ideas, with the new thinking, and that would contribute quite a lot, not only for this particular thing, but also for your overall growth. So now we are going to start with the complete yogic workout, which will help you to reduce your weight. And basically today we are targeting onto 2 areas. First, we'll be working out on your tummy, that is on your stomach, how to have a flatter stomach, okay, or how to reduce the unnecessary punches from your belly. And second thing, then we are going to work out onto your hip area. So before we start, I would request everybody, please remove your shoes so that we can start with the exercise. Do you have a yoga mat? Do you have a yoga mat? Because there was one down. Today I forgot to get mine. It's fine, right? अंदर रखा था ना ऑफिस में.
One like that.
Yeah, it would do. No problem. Yeah, it would do. Keep the nose aside, okay? And keep a distance of at least an arm's length so that you all can do the activity properly without touching each other. Make a big circle. Keep an arm's length between each other so that everybody can do the things properly. Okay? Now we'll start with the right way of breathing. And now the right way of breathing is, as I said, when you do a proper way of breathing, you're not only providing more oxygen to your body, but also at the same time you are making sure that your body is getting rid of toxins very fast. Okay, the first thing is that when you're breathing in properly, you're providing your body with the extra energy which is required. Second thing is that it will help the body to get rid of the toxins or the unwanted things which is not required by your body. Third thing is that this is one of the best way to reduce your stress. Now this breathing is specifically called belly breathing. Now see what way you're going to do belly breathing. First, join both the legs. Okay, as you join both the legs, see to it your ankle to ankle, thigh to thigh, knee to knee, everything is completely adjacent on each other. Squeeze your thighs, crush your knees, and now you're going to keep your hands on your waist. Now see what way, first you see what way I'm doing it, then the same way you would have to do it. When you breathe in, you bulge your stomach completely out, and when you breathe out, you are taking your stomach completely in, and you are breathing out not through your nose, you are going to breathe out through your mouth. See, it's like this. Breathe in. Again, see, when you breathe in, now everybody start. If you have not got it, you can keep your left hand on your tummy. Keep your left hand on your tummy, keep both your legs together. Now, as you breathe in, try to make your lungs as much filled with air as possible. Okay, make it fill completely. Okay, let your stomach bulges out as far as possible. Keep your shoulders absolutely relaxed. And as you breathe out, sulk your stomach or pull your stomach completely in and breathe out through your mouth. Again, breathe in, bulge your stomach out, bulge it out completely. Good. Breathe out, pull your stomach in, blow out through your mouth. Pull it in. Again, breathe in, bulge your stomach out, bulge it out completely, bulge it out more. Now, breathe out, pull it in more, a bit more. Yes. Again, breathe in, pull it out more, bulge it out, bahar. Yes. Now, breathe out, pull it in. Yes, good. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Again, breathe in. Make your stomach come out as far as possible. More out. Good. Now breathe out, pull it in. Good. Again, breathe in. Bulge your stomach out. Breathe out, pull it in. Good. Again, breathe in, pull it out. Breathe out. Again, completely pull it in. Breathe in, push it out. More. Now breathe out, pull it in. और अंदर कीजिए. Wait. When I say breathe in, push my hands out. Push it out more. Good. Breathe out, pull it in, blow through your mouth. Good. But it has to be like this. Like how do you whistle? Or how do you फूकनी से कैसे हम फूकते हैं? Like that. Okay? Come on, now one more last time. Breathe in, push your stomach out, breathe out, pull it in. Okay? This is called belly breathing. So whatever main exercise that we are going to do it, after every exercise, after every asana, we are going to do belly breathing 5 times. Make sure when you're doing your belly breathing or when you're doing any asana, your shoulders should be completely relaxed. Because if your shoulders are not relaxed, there is quite a good amount of you can say stiffness which has been created, and this would not let blood flow evenly through your brain. So as a result, you will find a little bit you can say congestion in your body. So whenever you're doing any asana or any breathing, your shoulders should be absolutely relaxed. Okay? The first thing is that whenever you start, see to it, your legs should be completely joined. Your tummy should be completely in, shoulders relaxed, and after your shoulders relax, your spine has to be as straight as possible. Okay? Now we're going to start with the first exercise. Now see what way you're going to start with the first exercise. Now you can open your legs slightly, take your legs your same distance as that of your hip length. Okay? It in. Breathe. Okay, I'm catching my elbow to elbow. First stretch it up to the ceiling. Two, 3, 4, 5. Come down. See, first you'll see what way you have to do it. Because you all are just standing like that. You're not supposed to be standing. When you're taking your position up, your stomach is completely put in. See, breathe in. Now I have breathed out already here. Okay, after breathing out, you have taken your stomach completely in. Now first stretch it up towards the ceiling. So you're stretching out your arms also. So your arms also get toned up. And after stretching up your arms towards the ceiling, then I am intensifying my grip further. Now I'm having a very intense grip at my stomach. Pull your stomach as hard as possible. Pull it up completely. Pull it up. 2, 3, 4, 5. No.